Hi everyone, welcome to the third and final part of the Jaguar restoration. Let's get started. After the paintwork that was shown in the previous episode, the buffing process begins, as shown in the preceding videos. This is a meticulous process that requires keen eyes and attention to detail so that no part of the painted vehicle panels is left out during this process. At Hojinx Motors, we usually buff the light fixtures of the vehicles that come in for a restoration just to remove the oxidation and restore its original shine. After buffing is done, the black plastic panels are painted with plastic primer and black paint to restore the original look. After all the painting is done, the removal of the tapes and newspapers that cover the sensitive areas begins. After the tape and the newspapers have been removed, all the fixtures are refitted. After the fitting is done, the first round of cleaning begins at this stage. The second level of cleaning consists of a deep clean, vacuuming and detailing. And the moment you've all been waiting for, the final look of the Jaguar XF. Thank you for being with us on this journey. Join us for more restorations at Hojinx Motors. See you on the next journey.